sister, and Nicole's going to tell you all about this new toy that's up for auction.
This is a new toy. It comes with this truck and this truck only. Trucks on the side here are sold separately in stores. So as you see here, this is the thing that dumps these boulders into the boulder pits. Once you put the balls into these two pits, you press this little lever here to have some like dynamic blasting fun.
And I'm going to show you how to build it and how to play with it.
I'm going to show you how to build this with these 4 pieces. First, you see this and this. And do you see these little things? You put it right in front of there and you push it down. You put it on here. So first, take these little balls out. You put it in here, this little yellow thing. You grab it from this handle and then try to lightly get it in there. Like that. And then the other one. Oh, I missed. Put the truck frontwards facing towards the 2 balls. And then, see this little lever? You put the ball on it. And then this is the lever to launch it. So you put it in there. And then you push it back just a little bit. Launch it, put these 2 balls in here. To get them in there, you have to push this red button. So then you just press the lever lightly, and the balls will go flying everywhere. Especially this.